Introducing the Realme GT 6T, the apex of smartphone innovation. In the fiercely competitive world of smartphones, the Realme GT 6T stands tall, embodying the pinnacle of technological advancement and design excellence. This flagship device is not just another smartphone. It's a revolutionary leap forward. Let's explore the features that make the Realme GT 6T the most desirable device on the market. 6000 nit hyper display, Brilliance Redefined. Imagine a display so bright and vivid that it outshines any environment. The Realme GT 6T's 6000 nit hyper display sets a new standard in smartphone screens. With a stunning 6.78-inch size, a resolution of 2780*1264, and a screen-to-body ratio of 94.20%, this display immerses you in a world of color and detail. The brightness levels are unparalleled, with 1000 nits typical, 1600 nits in high brightness mode, and an astonishing 6000 nits at peak performance. This ensures crystal clear visibility, even under the brightest sunlight. Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 flagship chipset, unleashing ultimate power. Performance is at the heart of the Realme GT 6T, powered by the latest Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor. Built on a 4nm process, it reaches speeds up to 2.8 GHz, while the Adreno 732 GPU at 950 MHz delivers breathtaking graphics. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, the Realme GT 6T ensures seamless and efficient performance, making lag a thing of the past. Iceberg Vapor Cooling System. Stay cool, stay efficient. Heavy usage can often lead to overheating, but not with the Realme GT 6T. Its advanced Iceberg Vapor Cooling System is designed to keep the device running optimally, even under intense workloads. This industry-leading cooling system ensures that your smartphone stays cool, providing consistent performance without throttling. 5500 mAh massive battery, powered to last. In the age of constant connectivity, battery life is crucial. The Realme GT 6T boasts a 5500 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. Its dual-cell design, equivalent to a 5500 mAh capacity, offers unmatched longevity and reliability. 120W SuperVOOC charge, lightning fast charging. Charging speeds are often a pain point, but the Realme GT 6T eliminates this concern with its 120W SuperVOOC charge. With the included 11 volts, 11A charging adapter, and USB Type-C port, you can recharge your device in record time, getting you back to what you love faster than ever. Massive storage, smooth performance for years. With up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a maximum of 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage, the Realme GT 6T is built for the future. This ensures not only smooth and swift performance, but also ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Whether you choose the 8GB, 128GB variant or the full 12GB, 512GB powerhouse, the Realme GT 6T is ready to meet your needs. Striking colors, fluid silver, and razor green, aesthetics matter. And the Realme GT 6T delivers with two stunning color options, fluid silver and razor green. Each hue is designed to catch the eye and complement your style, making sure your smartphone is as beautiful as it is powerful. Cutting-edge photography, capture every moment. The Realme GT 6T is equipped with a top-tier camera setup, featuring a Sony 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra wide-angle camera. From capturing stunning portraits to breathtaking night scenes and offering modes like professional and street shooting, this camera system is versatile and powerful. The 32MP selfie camera ensures your self-portraits are always sharp and vibrant. Advanced video capabilities, including 4000 recording and various slow-motion options, let your creativity run wild. Connectivity and audio, perfectly connected, perfectly sounded. Staying connected is effortless with the Realme GT 6T's 5G dual mode support, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.4. The superlinear dual speakers, high-res audio certification, and dual mic noise cancellation ensure that every call, song, and video sounds perfect. Sensors and system, smart and intuitive. Packed with sensors and running on Realme UI 5.0, based on Android 14, the Realme GT 6T offers a smart and intuitive user experience. From geomagnetic and light sensors to advanced gyroscope capabilities, this smartphone is designed to adapt seamlessly to your needs. What's in the box? The Realme GT 6T comes with everything you need. A 120W SuperVOOC charger EU adapter not supported, USB Type-C cable, protective case, SIM card tool, screen protector film, quick start guide, and important product information, including the warranty card.